A tankless RO reverse osmosis water filtration system is your recipe for pure and convenient hydration, delivering crisp, clean water straight from the tap without the hassle of bulky storage tanks. But which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 tankless RO reverse osmosis water filtration systems available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best tankless RO reverse osmosis water filtration systems. The 5th product on this list is the APEC Water ROTL-AIO. This unit is a groundbreaking solution for those in pursuit of pure, hassle-free water filtration. Its all-in-one design is a space-saving marvel, fitting neatly under your counter without the need for a cluttered multi-filter setup. With dimensions akin to a letter-sized paper, it declutters your space while producing an impressive 600 GPD of pristine drinking water. What truly distinguishes this system is its superior water filtration. APEC's proprietary filter eradicates impurities down to 0.0001 microns, effectively eliminating over 1,000 contaminants, including heavy metals, fluoride, chlorine, and more. The 4-in-1 filter technology captures sediment, intercepts dissolved solids, removes undesirable colors and odors, and conditions water for an exquisite taste. Maintenance is effortless thanks to the intelligent filter alert and quick change system. Replacing filters is as simple as twisting and pulling. No professional plumbing required. The smart filter indicator keeps you informed, while the auto flush function prevents calcification and extends filter and system life. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 25 minutes, with detailed DIY instructions and APEC's lifetime support. In a nutshell, the APEC ROTL-AIO is the ultimate space-saving, pure water-producing, and low-maintenance solution for your home. Its pros are: it has a compact footprint that frees up valuable under-counter space, keeping your kitchen organized. It boasts a remarkable 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, making it cost-effective and environmentally friendly. And it has filter technology that removes over 1,000 contaminants, including heavy metals and harmful impurities, delivering crisp, pure water. However, it won't work during power outages unless connected to a backup power source. The APEC Water ROTL-AIO is an ideal choice for those seeking efficient, space-saving water filtration that removes a wide range of impurities. Up next in 4th place is the iSpring RO500 Series. This water filtration system is a total game changer in the realm of home water purification. If you're eager for a lightning-fast flow of refreshingly pure water while reducing your environmental footprint, this system is purpose-built for you. With an impressive flow rate of up to 0.4 gallons per minute, this RO system ensures that you'll never have to wait for a refreshing drink or endure a lengthy pot-filling process. It's ideally suited for households, offices, and even commercial establishments like coffee shops and restaurants. When it comes to filtration performance, this system excels by eliminating over 99% of more than 1,000 contaminants, including lead, chlorine, and fluoride, while also restoring essential minerals for a well-balanced pH and enhanced flavor. What truly sets it apart is its efficiency, boasting a remarkable 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, which conserves up to 400,000% more water compared to traditional RO systems. Its tankless design not only saves space but also enhances your kitchen's aesthetics. Installation is a breeze with the detailed manual, and filter changes are simplified thanks to its integrated water route design. Moreover, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty, backed by iSpring's exceptional customer support. Its pros are: it boasts a rapid flow rate of up to 0.4 gallons per minute, ensuring you get clean water quickly. It effectively removes heavy metals and harmful agents, providing the water you drink is exceptionally pure. And it has an outstanding pure-to-waste ratio, saving up to 400% more water compared to traditional RO systems. However, it requires space under the sink, so homes with limited cabinet space might face installation challenges. The iSpring RO500 Series is ideal for families, offices, and businesses seeking rapid, top-tier water purification with space-saving benefits and significant water savings. Still haven't found a tankless RO reverse osmosis water filtration system that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Brio AQUUS. Here's a device for those who care deeply about the quality of their tap water. With NSF and ANSI certified filtration, this tankless RO system effectively eliminates a wide array of contaminants, ranging from chlorine to heavy metals, guaranteeing your family has access to pure, delicious water. One of its most notable features is its space-saving design, ensuring you retain a significant portion of your under-sink storage space. The integrated tankless system not only saves space but also eliminates the common risk of recontamination found in systems with tanks. Moreover, we love its intelligent faucet, complete with a TDS meter and filter life reminder, providing real-time water quality information. This makes monitoring and managing your water usage an effortless endeavor. Furthermore, it offers 2 filtration modes, one for everyday tasks like washing produce and another for drinking and cooking. With an impressive 800 gallons per day output and a 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, the Brio AQUUS ensures a constant supply of purified water while significantly reducing water waste compared to traditional systems. This system not only provides cleaner water but also effectively contributes to reducing plastic bottle usage, making it an eco-conscious choice for households. Installation is straightforward, and filter replacements are a breeze, guaranteeing you always have access to pure, refreshing water. Seek about tap water worries with the Brio AQUUS. Its pros are: it has a compact, tankless design that saves up to 70% of under-sink space. It has a smart LED faucet that provides real-time TDS monitoring and filter life reminders, making it easy to manage water quality and filter replacements. And it has a 2-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio, saves 300% on water waste compared to traditional systems, and encourages a reduction in single-use plastic bottle consumption. However, it requires regular filter replacement for optimal performance, which can be an ongoing cost. The Brio AQUUS is an excellent choice for health-conscious households seeking NSF-certified, space-saving filtration with a minimal water waste footprint, providing clean, delicious water for families and eco-warriors alike. The second product on this list is the Frizzlife PD600. This next unit isn't just another water filter, it's a revolution in home water purification, delivering a plethora of benefits for health-conscious families. This system is meticulously designed to provide you with the healthiest and most delightful tasting water conceivable. It doesn't just remove impurities and contaminants, it also brings your water's alkalinity and pH to a healthful level above 7.5. In simple terms, it means you get the goodness of weekly alkaline water that actively promotes your well-being. You'll appreciate its ingenious tankless design, which not only saves space but also eliminates any worries about secondary pollution. It's the epitome of space efficiency and eco-friendliness. With an astounding flow rate of 600 gallons per day, it can effortlessly meet the daily water needs of a large family, delivering a refreshing cup of RO water in just about 10 seconds. Furthermore, its 1-to-5-to-1 low drain ratio isn't just economical, it's environmentally friendly, saving up to 450% more water compared to conventional RO systems and significantly reducing your water bills. The intelligent LED display panel keeps you informed about water quality, and color-coded indicators make sure you never forget when it's time to change filters. As if that weren't enough, installation is a breeze. With clear instructions and tutorial videos, you'll have it up and running in minutes. Investing in the Frizzlife PD600 TAM3 isn't just a smart choice. It's a health-conscious choice for those who prioritize clean, healthy, and convenient water for their family. Its pros are: it balances water alkalinity, providing you with health-benefiting weekly alkaline water. It has a compact and tankless design, saves space, and eliminates secondary pollution concerns associated with tank-based systems. And it is highly efficient, saving up to 450% on water compared to traditional RO systems, making it cost-effective and eco-friendly. However, it reduces water pressure from the tap, which can be an issue with some homes. The Frizzlife PD600 is a fantastic in-home water purification option, offering a host of benefits for any household. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top tankless RO reverse osmosis water filtration system is the Waterdrop G3P800. This unit is the ultimate solution for home water purification, and here's why it stands head and shoulders above the rest. First and foremost, it's certified by NSF ANSI standards 42, 58, and 372, providing you with the assurance that your water is free from a wide range of contaminants, including troublesome ones like chlorine and lead. But what truly sets this tankless RO system apart is its incredible capacity, boasting an impressive 800 gallons per day capability. This makes it an ideal choice for larger families with high water consumption needs. One of the real gems of this system is its 9-stage filtration process certified through rigorous third-party testing. This process removes a myriad of impurities from PFAs and fluoride to heavy metals and even radioactive substances. Adding a touch of modern convenience, the intelligent faucet provides real-time total dissolved solids and water quality information, ensuring you're always in the know about your water's purity. The LED lamp is designed to last up to an astonishing 50 years, automatically activating when water flows, ensuring you have a system that's both long-lasting and functional. Moreover, the tankless design doesn't just save you valuable under-sink space, it also guarantees a continuous flow of pure water without the need to wait, ensuring you always have clean water when you need it most. Of course, like any system, the filters will eventually need replacement, so keep that in mind. And remember to use the Waterdrop Authentic RO faucet for compatibility. Overall, the Waterdrop G3P800 is more than just a water purification system. It's a high-quality, fast-flowing, and space-saving solution for those who demand the very best in water purity. Say goodbye to water worries and hello to pure hydration. Its pros are: it offers an impressive 800 gallons per day capacity, ensuring a constant supply of clean water, making it suitable for large families. It effectively removes a wide range of contaminants, including PFAs, fluoride, heavy metals, and radioactive substances. It has a smart faucet that provides real-time TDS and water quality information, adding convenience and ensuring you always know the quality of your water. And it has tankless design not only saves under-sink space, but also guarantees a continuous flow of pure water without the need for a storage tank. However, the faucet is only available in nickel or special order black, so it may not suit the aesthetic of all homes. The Waterdrop G3P800 is a brilliantly designed device and an ideal choice for households seeking a high-capacity, space-saving, and efficient water filtration solution. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.